So this is where Seafood Festival in Weymouth is located, next to Pavilion, and it's also next to the beach. What a location! Eat, swim, sunbathe, drink, eat, swim, sunbathe, drink. Perfect day out. I have to say, this time they do have a lot more seating space. Was the problem last time when they had it on the harbour side. There was virtually nowhere to sit. So, same champagne. They've always been a sponsor of Seafood Festival. And a lot more trucks. Seems to be they fit a lot more food places this time than there was last time. But to be fair, last 2 years when they moved here to Pavilion and they made people to pay for entrance, I refused to come. Not because I'm a cheapskate, even though I am, just because I thought it was wrong.
Favourite. We've got Mark Woodhouse from, of course, Paul and Woodhouse. Mr. Badger is back, but as well on site yesterday, brings stars of champagne making to English soil, producing its award. Performers and of course the very hard-working Dorset Seafood Festival team who are delighted with yesterday.
On the days like this, I realize how lucky I am that I live in Weymouth. Beautiful. I am.
Not ready. No, mate. American football. Bit of a difference. Not really. It's all the cheapest stuff down here.
Yeah.
Who would have bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, missionaries in the past. For some reason I can't explain, I know.
Turkish delight. Oh, is that baklava? Oh, they've got baklava.
And the main sponsors this year, Hall and Woodhouse, a big thank you to them. Hall and Woodhouse